Hello everyone, this is my Porcelain De La Mere bouquet. It is beautiful with its muted blush tones, ivories, creams, and whites. It's stunning. It looks very vintage and I just absolutely love it. So I'm going to use 3 hydrangea, some white peonies, quicksand roses, a muted blush ranunculus. I begin my build using those 3 white hydrangeas. I have them in a round shape. And I'm just going to begin to add in flowers, making it appear as though these flowers grew outside of the hydrangea. The hydrangea is nice to use in bouquets because it has a round shape to it. And they're just like really big flowers, so they fill up a lot of space. I like using some closed peonies along with the open peonies. It just gives it a really nice, natural look. It looks as though it's been in the garden. This bouquet just has a beautiful vintage look to it. It's stunning. It looks like porcelain. That's why I named it Porcelain De La Mere. I just thought it was beautiful. It reminded me of Mother's China. Those ranunculus have a slight blush tone to them, like a muted blush tone. They go very well with the quicksand roses. If you see them in a bunch, they almost look white or ivory, but you can tell when you put them up against ivory or the quicksand roses that it does actually have a blush tone to it. And those ranunculus were hard for me to track down. I went all over the place trying to get those. I'm sipping my coffee, and I love to dance to hardcore music when I'm building the bouquets. Continuing to add until I get a good shape that I like. I'm getting there, it's getting close, maybe just a few more pops of flowers. Those ranunculus, I have to be very gentle in pushing them down. Their stems are a little more hollow, and I don't want to break the stems. And now I'm cutting the stems just good enough for me to start wrapping. When I'm finished wrapping, I'll go back and cut them more evenly. This is an ivory satin ribbon that I'm using to wrap the bouquet, and I'm pulling very tightly. I got a good grip on my bouquet so it doesn't shift. And around we go. There she is, Porcelain De La Mere. She's absolutely stunning. Thank you so much for watching. Check us out on social media, Facebook, Instagram, XOXO Florals&Wine. Also, you've been listening to the song Glimmer by June Dreaming. Check them out on Facebook as well.